Okay. I'm gonna take it on faith as a streaming. On my main screen is just the midterm. We're gonna continue this. Great. What was my thinking? So my thinking, right? We have, fuck. Hold on. Oh Jesus. Trust me, this is still legitimate, bro. Trust me. Oh, this is freaky. Alright. I'm gonna go like this. Alright. We're gonna pretend that nothing ever happened. Okay, we're gonna continue like nothing ever happened. 8 minutes down. We're in the middle of question 3. There's 15 questions. This is bad. Okay, let's go. Let's just go. Okay, so n squared times 25. Fuck. I know I shouldn't have done all that. So we have 1.09. And then we have, sorry, this is so messy. Then we have 2.0 times 10 to the negative 8 times 10 to the negative 8. Square that times 9.1 times 10 to the negative 31 times 8. 1.09 times 10 to the negative 65, or by 2.9 times 10 to the negative 45. So energy is equal to 3.7 times 10 to the negative 21 joules. Hopefully that's an answer on here. Or this is 3.8. So 3.8. Let's see, 3.8. Fuck, that's 930. Fuck, okay. Oh. So this would be tetrahedral. This would be 109.5. Okay, 945. So, wait. F and yes, because it would look something like this. We'd have N. We'd have. And then this would just be yeah. Non-polar one bond. More than one bond dipoles. Let's see. So that means we have X, Y, maybe we go like here. We have H and we have F. Then we go like this. We have so polar, because we'd have H's and we'd have O, and this would go this way. Rn, let's see. Rn. Where the fuck is Rn, dude? Noble gas. Fuck. Okay, 8 valence. So we'd have Rn. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, no, but then we could just fill in. This is not that. Oh shit! Wait, I don't know. Because this would be S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'd have seesaw. So polar, and then this same story, and bam, 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 BR, BR. So this would be polar. So polar, polar, polar. It's this one. Non-polar. Fuck, this is 12, 15. Jesus, dude. No. I don't think it's what it's describing. I think it's this. These are true, but I think this is what it's mostly about. Okay. Oh, shit. Best resonance for period. So if you have I, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Because the oh yeah, and then we have this, and we have that, and then this becomes bam, 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 and then we have a negative one, not just a negative. If I have iodate, the thing is not here. Oops. Let's see. Where was I? Okay. If we have I, then we go bam, bam, bam. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as our baseline. Then we have another negative. And this can become, so we can take this, and take this, and we'll get a lone pair along with these. So this is a lone pair, and this would be, and then iodite. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take these out. Take these out. Bam. Then bam, 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 bam. So this would be, oh fuck, dude, almost 15. So I'll have at least one pair of electrons on the lone central atom. A is not true. B, heterogeneous molecular shape. Wait, that's actually true. Yes. No. No. And IDK. We're gonna go with B. We're gonna go with B. Where does that put us? 15 mins. Fuck. Okay. Large dipole moment. So we have S. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can cancel that. And that just gets us bam, 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 bam. So this would be no, not. We should look here. We should look here. If we have S, and then we have O, F, F. Well, these are already incomplete. By default, does have 2 more, but these would just go onto here. So if we have something that's like this. Oh shit! Wait. We'll almost go like this, and you have like a straight up and a straight. Right, like this. These, so the O's overall have a down, and the F's overall have an up. overall, just straight up, down, straight down. So I'm not sure about IDK. Probably not you. If I have SO3, then it would just look like this, non-polar. So definitely not that. So if we have, if we have S, then we have N, then we have BR, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these could just go here, so we have nothing here, and then this is already complete. IDK. Right, because it could look something like this. PR and then N. So you have an overall thing of like here, and then this would sum to an overall this way. Oh fuck! But if we look at it like that, BR is pretty low over here. I'm gonna go with this. Fuck, dude. This is bad. This is actually really bad. This is really bad. Okay. Proton and an electric field between two metal plates. Oh. Well, what does that look like? So this square would look like we have nodes at shit. What? Oh, dude. So that's 0.5, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have node 0.5, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. This is 0.8. We have nodes there. So x equals 2L over 5 is 2 over 5L, which is just 0.4. So it's within here to 3 over 5 here. So within here. So what are the odds of that? I guess we'll just eyeball it. How do you eyeball this, dude? So it would probably look something like look like that. Look like something like that. Fuck. Is there a better way to do this? I'll go with 40%. Because this is some kind of superposition, right? So I already immediately do not know how to calculate that. I'm going to go, oh fuck. IDK, how to calc superposition. Okay, let's see. Nope, not here. Statements regarding positions of quantum states in a one-dimensional box of length L is false. So A is true. B, I don't know. C, yes. D, this, and then we have 1, 2, 3. And these peaks are equal. So if we have over this, we have this over here. Peak plus trough equals 0. So D is true. So that's true. What? Is this true? No, I've seen this. This is not true. This is false. False. I think. Oh god, no, because we saw it look something like this. And that's 2 nodes. So that's false. This one is false. Let's go 22 minutes. Fuck, dude. I need to get to at least 15 or finish 15 by half, right? Because then that gives me... Oh, dude. Fuck, okay. 22 minutes. So we're starting here at 22 minutes. It's not particularly hard. It's just tricky. So, dude. Fuck me in the asshole, man. All right. So we have 11. And then I'm going to go for the determination of constructions. Okay. Oh, you bitch. PS5 contains 2 signals. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, it's just going to look like this. Yeah, and then this is single bond only because of the 7 valences on here. So this is 2 signals. So this would look like, how do you do perspective diagram on this? Look like this. If I have something like this, then I want it like, I'd have this in the plane, and I'd have it like, this is going towards the viewer, and this is going away from the viewer. And then this is right here. 2 signals. 3 equatorial. So this here, ec 3ec, and then this is 2x. So that's 2 sig. Okay. Wait, is this a red herring? Is this a red herring? So we have xe, and then we have, oh, you bitch, because we have 8 valences on this. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. We have 5. And then we can take you, and we can transplant you over here. So this would look more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a lone pair on here. So it's going to be octahedral or some shit like that. Would we want to have a double bond here? I don't know if we'd want a double bond here. I don't think, does it make a difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means this has a formal charge of positive 1. So in fact, we actually would want a double bond on here, right? Because then we have no F charge with O double bond. So from there, what are you doing? Oh fuck, dude, this is so contains 1 signal. Okay, the signal's a red herring. Fuck the signal bit. That doesn't matter. So let's go xe. We're gonna go bam, bam, O, bam, F, bam, F, bam, F, F, F. And then it's no overall charge. And then is this polar or non-polar? Let's go polar. Because those dipoles, right, if I imagine something like this, they're not gonna, these will all cancel out in the axial, but these will not cancel because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, but by a very narrow margin, I think. So let's go B. 3 geometric forms. Oh, you bitch, I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you, bro. How do you got bromine as the central atom, bro? That doesn't even make sense. We have 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 O2s. So we can take this, take that, F, 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 O, O, and then this can go here. Or we can just erase these. Erase these. And go bam, 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 bam. So this would be trigonal. Okay, so we want these little bonds. We want these like this. So we have normal formal charge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are the three geometric forms, dude? Because this is trig by pair, 2 double bonds with O. So we'd have something like what? Like this? Three geometric forms. Oh my god. Wait, I think I know what they're talking about. Polar. And then we'd have non-polar. And what's the other geometric form? I guess 2 on the axial, right? We have something like... Oh, but it's hard to draw. How do you draw that? Wait, if I have like this... Fuck, how do you draw that? There's no way I can get all those in this plane of the page, can't... No, I can't get them in the plane of the page. That's not possible. Fuck it. I'm just gonna cop out, dude. I don't know the way to draw it where it's all on the plane of the page. I don't think it's possible. Fuck it. We're just gonna do this. I'm gonna go polar. So these are my 3 answers, my 3 drawings. One signal. What does that even mean? What the fuck does that even mean, dude? I'm gonna pick this one. Dude, I don't know. This doesn't matter, dude. Fuck, man. Okay, and this would be 29 minutes. Okay. Because it's fine if we finish faster. That's actually good, because then we can go back and check. Don't worry about finishing too quick. No? Oh, I'm not finishing too fast with this one. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 6. Oh wait, no. Because we're acting as if nothing else is here. So we're going at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wait. What? No. Yeah. Because we're putting nothing here, nothing on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But these bonds only count for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. AS. What's AS? AS has valence of 5. 1, 2, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an interesting one. And we go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and then these go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try and find the best resonance structure right now. I think this guy is gonna want to form a double bond here. And then now with these rings, we can start ringing it like this. And then, oh shit. Do I have extra electrons to go around. Because I want to do... Oh no. We're going to want a double bond here. Take these guys out. But now I need to scavenge for electrons elsewhere to fill in that one. Oh, come on. Come on, dude. Ooh. Dude, what do I do? I'm actually kind of cooked. Right, because we took these are in default states. This one's still default. This one, we've just taken these guys and moved it around here. And this is good for the nitrogen. So this is double bond is usually staying here. 1, 2, not 1, 2, that 1, 2, that. 1, 2, and then we put... Come on, man. What do I do? It's a neutral molecule too, so there's no overall charges, so I can't bail myself out with anything. What am I missing? I can't have dual bonds here because then the carbon goes hypervalent. So what do I do? Come on, man. That's disappointing. And moved you back here. Keep this here? No, that's doesn't do anything. Keep this here? No, that's doesn't do anything. And plus it gives a negative formal charge. So that's a bad one. Come on, dude. Dude. Wait, what? Wait, something's wrong here. I just fabricated electrons out of thin air. I forgot something, I think. Wait. What did I do? Wait, originally this baseline started with like this, and like here, and like this. But then I moved one of these here. I guess I'll do that. Okay. I don't know what happened. Oh, wait, and then this might go between this, and then it would go here. And then we have plus, and we'd have a negative here. So we could flip-flop between. Oh, dude, come on. This is so bad. So lone pairs present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this would all be 20 lone pairs. And then we'd have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 lone pairs. Double bonds, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yes. And because we only have this clues you in. This clues you in to the trickiness here, because the nitrogen oxygen bond, they only ask you if it's not the same always. So it's between. It's not this. It's not this. It's between this. And then we'd have this. So then we'd look at neighbors, and then we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. So AS, bam, bam. So it probably looks something like C. Then we'd have H, and then we'd have like a C. So, or wait, let's angle this lower. C. So this would be 109.5 degrees. Oh, you bitch! I hate you. Max number of lie in the same plane. Okay. So this is gonna be tetrahedral. So we can select this. We can select these guys. No, we can't. No, we can't. If this is a hydrogen and this is a carbon, well, these chlorines lie outside. So it'd be hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, carbon, carbon. So this is now a carbon. This would be the AS. And then we have a hydrogen out here. We have the thing out here. But crucially, this is the same plane as that. Tetrahedral. So we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's still in the same plane. So we have carbon, the AS. Then we have the carbon in the same plane again. And then with this carbon here, AS, carbon. Yeah, it looks like this. We'd have the fluorines shooting out the bottom. F out bottom. So we'd have over there. This is a chlorine. We have a and then wait, this is a carbon. Then we connect same plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is 8? 8 plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, these are all in the same plane, right? Because there's no yeah, there's no lone pair on here. None of these resonances have a lone pair on there. So this is going to be trigonal. Trigonal, trigonal, trigonal. So 8 plus 13 equals 21. So actually it'd be 21. Oh my god. Dude, nah, dude, nah. This is so fucked, dude. Oh, dude. So it's been 20 minutes to Q so far. So, oh, come on, you fucking asshole. You fucking asshole. Okay. Yeah, see, it's whatever at the start, but then at the end is when you realize the difficulty you've walked into. So 4 chemically. So SENN, SE. So bam, 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 bam. 2 plus. So first resonance I'm going to draw is going to be this. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SC has a valence of how many? Valence of 6. Valence of 6. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how are we going to do this? How do you do this? Oh, wait, no, we subtract 2. Right? Because we have 2 plus. 2 plus. So this is, we already subtracted 2 plus from this. We want to minimize. Oh, dude, I'm not even thinking right now. Holy fuck, I'm not even thinking. Let's get rid of this. Start with that. And then I'm gonna do this. No, we don't want to get rid of that. We want the do we want that? I don't know if we want that. Because that means this will have a formal charge of +2. So this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1. Sorry, plus. Plus. What am I doing? It's a positive formal charge because there's fewer electrons that it's supposed to like count for or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So this is 1. This is 1 best resonance. Fuck, it took way too long. That was just embarrassingly long. S-E-N-N-S-E-S-E. So we could probably switch the orders around. Four chemically reasonable resonances. Dude, are you kidding me? Okay, so then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Sorry, what am I doing? It's all the way around. It's probably a bad way to do it. +1, +1, 2, 1, 2. So blah blah blah. These look good. You have the lone pair, double bond, single bond, lone pair, double bond, single bond. 2, 3, 4, and then that looks good. So then, how do you draw the next one? Next one, we want to go with what? Low pair electrons as pairs of dots and all bonds as lines, right? For click reasonable ones. Dude, why is it taking me so? Why am I blanking so hard? This is actually really bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 1, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna drop these because +2. Here, I'll just draw it from the outside to make it easier on myself. How else do you want to draw these? So we could probably have something like this. Would this work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These look good. These look good. Okay, this looks fine. 2 plus. Dude, I should have a more methodical way of doing this. This is actually pretty stupid. And then we'd have we have the little bond between here. Like something like, would this work? And then from here we'd go, maybe I could steal it from up here. No, but this is now no longer a complete octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where did this get its little bond from? Sorry, wait, let's start over. Let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is 2 plus, so we don't have to add another of these. I would look over here and I would go, okay, remove you, and we get to this, right? Now this is actually extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is extra. I don't need this. So I could take this and put it. Where could I put this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, this nitrogen doesn't have enough. Neither does this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? Wait. What am I doing, dog? Dog, what am I doing, bro? Dude, I completely forgot that you draw on his resonances, bro. This is so embarrassing. What are you doing, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, there we go. What? Wait. Does this work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, but now this is hypervalent. Can this be hypervalent? I mean, I don't know what my other choices are. Like, I already used these two. So, fuck it. We'll leave it as is for now. I don't know. We're running out of time. We really are running out of time, dude. Oh, dude. 49 minutes. Dude, this is so bad. All right. Okay, so we have C, and we have this F, this F, this H, and this H. So this would look like, we're looking at it like this. All right, I'm gonna rotate that up. This just looks like C, H, H, and then maybe we'd have like F, something like F, right? Just take that, and then you can rotate it around, and then suddenly, wait, rotate like this. Suddenly you got a couple things like that. So is that polar? Yes, polar, right? Because these two would have a sort of like out of page vector, and then this would be like in page H and F, some of F, some of H. Out of page, and then there'd be overall. So this would be a non-polar. Dude, I've never done the homework with this much urgency, bro. It's actually crazy. Okay, B, C, D are not possible because no answer sheet. Well, that's fucking anticlimactic. It's not possible. I can't do it. Okay, 15. Let's try D. How would we do D? So H, F, O, 1, 2, 3, 4, Y, F. So this would be huh? What? Okay, so this is C3H2F4. Neutrons and protons. So C, let's go look at this. So C, 6E, 6P, mass equals 12, 12 minus 6 equals 6, H, 1P, 1E, mass equals 1, 1 minus 1 equals 0, 0 and 6 and F, 19, 7P, 7E, mass 19, 19 minus 7 equals 12N. So we have 12 times 4, 2 times 0, and then we have 6 times 3. So if we have 12 times 4 plus 6 times 3, this equals to 66 neutrons. So 66 N. And then if we go, carbon has 6 times 3 protons plus 2 plus, oh wait, I'm stupid. Sorry, this is 9 minus 9 equals to 10. plus 9 times 4 is equal to 56 protons. This would actually be 10. So we'd have 10 times 4 plus 6 times 3. This would equal to 58 neutrons, 58 protons. Oh, are you fucking kidding me, dude? Even with skipping a question, dude. 55 mins. Still too slow. What the fuck? Okay. So we have a scale, right? We have delta E. Which box is the longest? Well, we have En is equal to n squared times n squared over 8ml. So E is proportional to 1 over L squared. So E up, L squared goes down, right? So 1 is the longest box, right? Because it's inverse proportion. So as energy goes up, then that one has to go down. So A equals box 1. What was it talking about, dude? Unsure if is possible. That's kind of anticlimactic. Finish 56 mins. I mean, I don't know if that's even possible, dude. Let's just try C. Trying C. So box 1, 1000 nanometers. Box 2, 500 nanometers. So we know that En is equal to 1 is related to 1 over L squared. So E1 is related to 1 over L squared. L equals 1000. Fuck. To N squared over L squared. So you have 1, 4, right? And then we have 9, then we have 16, then we have 25. So this is N equals 1, equals 2, 3, 4, 5. So box 1 is N equals 1, box 2 equals N equals 2. So if we have, oh shit. So if we have 1 over L squared is equal to 1000. What is 25 over L squared? Well, I know that 1 over L squared is equal to 4 over L squared times, so this is 1000 equal to 500. So this would be 2 times, wait, what? To make these equal, I need to multiply this side by 2. Wait, what? Okay, let's do the other way around. Let's say this is 1000 and this would be 500. If we half this again, it'd be 250. Half this again, 125. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half this again, we get, what's 125 over 2? 2.5. 62.5 nanometers? I don't know. Okay, 59 mins. Pencil down for real. Okay, what's our denominator? Our denominator is going to be a little less than 50. Oh, I forgot to get the thing up. Let's try. Wait, what? Bruh. Here, let's do this. 2/3. This can go control 15. Okay. Oh wait, I have to scroll on here. Okay. 6:30. We just spent an hour doing that. That was 1 hour. Holy fuck. That was 1 hour, bruh. That was tough. That was tough. So we finished, sort of? At least I finished. At this point, bro, I don't even know, man. At this point, dog. Okay, so that's that. That shouldn't feel that bad. It's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's relax. Let's take a deep breath. I actually started exactly an hour before my midterm would have been, right? Because I started at 5:20. I'm doing about an hour, exactly an hour, because it's exactly 48 hours from now. Yeah, no, it is actually exactly 48 hours from now. Right? Right. Okay. Alrighty, and then midterm starts 6:30. So I should did this a little bit early. Fuck, wait, what if it's not actually... Oh, no. It's not halving, it's quadratic. Or it's like inversely quadratic. It'd be 1/25. You're changing 1,000 divided by 25. Fuck, no, because by 25, bro. 1,000 divided by 25. Because it's not 1,000. Basically, I'm doing is I'm basically saying to the power of... I'm dividing it by half repeatedly. So... Yeah, I'm taking 1,000 multiplied by 0.5, and because multiplication is commutative, which means that you can multiply whatever order you want. So I can take 1,000 multiplied by a half, multiplied by a half, multiplied by a half, or I can do 1,000 times a half times a half times a half times a half. It's commutative, so it doesn't matter what order you do it. So you take 1.5 to the power of like 4, and then... But that follows an exponential or inversely exponential slope, which is actually not what you want. You want it to be quadratic. So I actually think I fucked up on that one. Whatever, let's mark it. Oh, I'm glad I ran the live stream. The first 8 minutes, it was a fucking blur, dude. It was a fucking blur. I'm hoping for... The last one I got like 26. I didn't fully mark it. I marked multiple choice. I got 18 out of 20 multiple choice. Then after that, I completely fumbled on the rest of it. So I spent more time deliberating the multiple choice. It wasn't just, just dashing through. So let's take a rest. Start marking at 6:30. I think the actual test will happen in 48 hours. Right? Let me see. Never mind. It's in 30. It would be 40. It would be like half hour offset. Not 6:30. It's at 6. So I'd wake up, do all that, go to school. I had a full day of school today. Hopefully I took a nap throughout the middle of the day. If I didn't, I should go take a nap. That felt not bad. I really felt not bad. I'm gonna ask for a lot of scratch paper. Yeah, that felt pretty decent. I mean, I did paper tests and RVS, so it was not that different from doing the iPad. With no significant change I had to make, so yeah, I feel pretty alright. Just take a little rest. That was, feels like I just did like a little sprint, dude. That felt pretty alright. That actually felt pretty alright. That felt pretty alright. Glad I turned the stream on. I can look back at this recording on I've either A, gotten a good enough GPA to continue at UBC, or I'll look back at this and go, well, I tried my fucking hardest. Because this is the first major examination. I mean, I had the chemistry test, but that was only worth 4%. This is worth about 12.5%, and the data science ones were about 27%. So, I think I can look back to recording, preparing for my first major examination this year. If I fail and I can't continue UBC, I can look back and say I tried my fucking hardest. You know? I'll mark it in a few seconds. I can look back and say, hey, I failed. I did my best. And if I pass and I can be able to specialize and to continue at UBC, then I'll look back and go, well, I'll feel better, or I'll feel good, or I'll be like, you know what, you worked hard, kid. But hey, what can I say? I spent the first, I started doing homework at about 2 or 3 p.m. So I wasn't working as hard as I possibly could, that's for sure. So yeah, I actually start working today. Started working at about, let's see, 3 p.m. Oh, I started working at 3 p.m. today, bro. To be fair, I actually been doing a lot of work these past 3 hours, but when I download this at 12 p.m. I wasn't doing shit. I was just playing with my little dick, bro. Okay, I think it's time to start marking this. I'm gonna put some music back on. Or maybe I won't. Nah, I'm good. Yeah. Huh. Why's it doing that? It's like a little gap. Okay, that's weird. It's not using the whole thing. Alright, well, anyways, I'm gonna close these. Oh yeah, this is my stuff earlier. So maybe I started doing homework at 3 because I was doing some stuff. Actually. Okay. All lectures. Oh, I wasn't capturing my whole screen. That's fine. It's whatever. It's not that deep. It defaults to this monitor for capturing. I don't know why. We're gonna skip lecture tomorrow. For what reason I'm skipping lecture tomorrow? I don't really know. I just I might as well go. I guess I'm prepared. And you know what? Let's actually check the date of midterm 2. Because this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There's no reason to shoot myself in the foot in the future if I'm gonna... Yeah, so if we look here, this is my midterm. But then I look over here, 19th. Chem midterm 2, right? So about a month. Well, in that case, does it really matter? Right? Does it really matter, dude? If I skip tomorrow? Right? Because I have to wake up at like pretty early, like go to class, and then finish at 11. Then that's lecture. At that point, I think it's worth it just try and catch up later, right? But I might be more locked in if I'm at school. But I would rest better if I'm at home. Just don't know. What's the move? What is the move? Fuck, what's the move? Okay, but let's say I go to school tomorrow. Then I run a practice midterm, practice data science midterm. I just do that all at home. See, normally, like today I wasn't as locked in. Yesterday I was completely locked out. What did I do yesterday? I don't even know what I did yesterday. Took a 3-hour nap in the middle of the day. But because of the day of the exam, I'd more likely be locked in, right? See, Sunday was when I should go to school, but obviously there's nothing happening at school, so... Right? So, that's the tricky bit. Like, I still only started doing shit about 2 p.m., 3 p.m. today. 3 p.m. I don't know, I'm saying 2 p.m., 3 p.m. I did a decent amount past 3 hours. Again, the bottleneck isn't time, it's energy. Fuck, but if the bottleneck isn't time, it's energy, then I should just go to school then. But who's to say I'll have more energy if I go to school? Like, I'll have more productive energy that day, but we'll be more tired the day after. The issue is I'll do more at school, guaranteed. The time loss, but the goal is not... Am I trying to imply that I would have a less functioning brain if I went to school tomorrow because I'd be more tired on Wednesday? I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Which, I mean, I just have to wake up really early. That's the counterpoint. If I'm waking up at 6, I mean, I get to class at like 8:30. That's not acceptable for a day for midterm. So I have to actually get up at like 6, 5:45 tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Yeah, no, we're not going to school tomorrow. I'm not going to school tomorrow. I'm good. I will. How about this? After the chem midterm, I promise I'm gonna study and I'm gonna pre-read chapter 5, bro. I promise, bro. I'll be a good boy. I will be a good boy, brother. I mean, I have to go to school anyways for this workshop on Saturday, so I'll go a little earlier and do a bunch of work. How about this? I'll spend today and tomorrow doing homework, chilling. Wednesday is go time, and then after that I'll do more work. Wait, but where do I rest in this? Well, I already rested. Yesterday I didn't do anything. I didn't even do a lick of homework. Like, I mean, I opened the computer, but that was to set this up. That's why. Just my vertical monitor setup. So I didn't do any actual work yesterday. I didn't even exert myself, unless exerting counts as like trying to, I don't know, set up a vertical monitor. Like, it's not that deep, bro. It was not particularly strenuous. So that's my break. Same for Saturday was my break. So I think I feel energized enough to just go on forward. Like, I'm trying to convince myself I have energy, which, I mean, think I do. I think I've got enough tip energy. So. Okay, but I'm talking myself into circles. Let's just mark this stupid fucking exam. Alright. Watch me get like half of the first part wrong. It's gonna be so embarrassing, dude. Alright. Correct. Let's keep a running tally. Alright, 2. And we got, it's correct, another 2. See what answer 3 is. 3 is another 2, correct. See what 4 is. What? It's 120. Wait, what did I do wrong? Because if this is N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have F, I have F, I have F. Bro. Not an F. It's not that, it's this. And then this would end up donating one of these here. Oh no, just use up all of this. Just use up all. This would be 120 degrees. Okay, this is just a read carefully question. That was a dumb blunder. The next one. RNO4, correct. Another 2 over here. Let's put 8 out of 10. Let's see what question 6's answer is. Correct. All right. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude. Not parent shape. Dude, this is actually embarrassing as fuck. Fuck, so where are the 2 best resonances, though? I don't even know what the resonances could be. Oh, wait a second. If I'm here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this would be 2 minus. So then this would be something like y, bam, bam, bam. And then you go something like this, and this would be -1. And then you'd have something like this. And then it'd go bam, 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 bam. And then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that would be neutral. All have 2 or more best resonances. My drawings are not best resonances, and this is because the center is, oh my god, wait, that's too positive. Yeah. So that was my mistake. It's my bad, gang. Fuck, this is already looking worse than the last one, dude. I have no idea why the answer for this one is. It's this now. I was just lucky, dude. I'll come back to this. Why is that the case? I don't... Oh, wait. If you have something like this, and the sum is like this, plus something like this, and the sum is this, this will be less than something that's only like this. Because, like, any resistance is makes sum less than no resistance, and this will just be S and then the O, and then you have 1 2 3 4. Oh wait, and then 1 2 3 wait, and this would go like that, and then this would sum to like this. That was stupid. Yeah, I don't know why I thought something that had two counteracting would be greater than. That was not particularly well thought through. Wow, this has been a rough one on me. Fuck. Dude, what? Dude, this will... Are you fucking kidding me? I'm getting 4 out of 10 on this one. That shit pissed me off, bro. So, our sum is... 12 out of 20. That's so bad, bro. Fuck. Oh, dude. Wait, because if you have a plus b squared, this does not equal to a squared plus b squared. These are different things. Right? But a times b squared is equal to a squared times b squared. Right? Hold on. Right? Fuck, that's not even the case, bro. That's not even the case. Oh, that is the case. This actually is the case, but not. It's not with addition. Fuck. Let's search up. Formula for probability distribution of a wave superposition 1D particle in a box. Just give me the A overview, bro. Honestly, dude, you know what I'm gonna do? What are we gonna do? Fuck, let's use ChatGPT. Let's see. What is the probability distribution given by? So it would be of form A plus B plus C plus ... squared, not a squared plus b squared. And further, those are not equivalent because of exponent laws. Correct? All right. Okay, thanks for the glazing. And it's absolute value. Why do you need absolute value? Any negative value just becomes positive when you square it anyways. What's the point? I mean, I guess they have a good reason. Oh, because this, you add a positive and a negative, and suddenly you're having destructive interference. Wait. No, but you want that. You actually want that. Oh, that's why they're having the whole thing like that. But then when you have the whole sum, why would you need to get the absolute value first? Wait. Dude, I've never learned about complex numbers, bro. Dude, I think I'm actually low-key undereducated, bro. Like, I've actually never done calculus. Like, I mean, except for Math 100, which I fucking bombed, and they pity passed me. I don't even know if I passed the final. It was a rough time last year. God, that's fucking brutal. Okay, so... for 12 out of 20 multiple choice. That is brutal. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, and let's go 15. Oh, I guess they have A, B, and C, but it's fine. We can just do overalls. You have to select the non-polar one? Dude, I hate you. You actually suck. I don't even know how these points are marked, man. Okay, let's look at these diagrams. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? Dude, why am I washed? I'm actually fucking washed. X, X, and X. Single bonds on O. Why? Yeah, why is that? Why is that? So we have BrO2F3. So we have Br, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is just normal. This is 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. . Wait, what? And then this would go to... No, but then when these go over there, then if you have this, and you have this, then it would be 1, 2, 3, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would have a formal charge of +2. So they would form those. So how come it's single bonded? What? What was that? Oh, fuck. Cause like, wait, do you have to draw double bonds on? You have to, right? What's the point of doing all this, bro? What the fuck is the point, dude? Alright, you know what, bro? I'm gonna give myself those points. I'll give it. I'll give myself the points. No, it's this one. Pick this one. Pick this. So, I'll give it to myself. Let's say this is 3 out of 7 marks. So I'll give myself 3. I'll give myself 3. I need the points, man. This is fucking embarrassing. Just go on 25. Yes. 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 Okay. We got it. Let's say this is 3 and this is 5 out of 5. So let's go 8 out of... Oh, these are atrocious numbers, dude. Say this is 8. Let's look at the valences on this. No. We got 3 out of 4. We got 3 out of 4. So let's I'll give myself Oh, no. Wait, no, this is actually good. No, this is good. This is fine. Sorry, I jumped the gun. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So we got that. Oh, that's 6 out of 6 marks. Great. Oh, wait, actually make sure I did it correctly. So we have this structure matching here. We have the formal charges. Oh, fuck me. I forgot these. Okay, that's like, sorta. Let's get a 3 out of 4. Let's go structures. Oh, wait. No, wait. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. I fucked up while marking. What am I doing? Who'd have thought marking takes as long as the actual test itself? Marking has to take quite a while, though. This is good. Let's see this structure. This structure's good. This structure's good. Yep. Okay, yeah, we're actually good. We're good. We're back. We're back, boys. We are back. This is 6. And this next one. NA. We'll go non-applicable on this one. Nice. Okay. So we got that. I don't know what my denominator is going to be. It's going to be given as over 25, right? Oh, no. This is 316 nanometers? Huge solving. Box 1. I don't know where my answer for box 1 is, but I remember I wrote box 1 as the longest. So that's correct. Oh, wait, yeah. So, like, let's have our denominator. So 8 out of 12 plus 8 and plus, like, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 3. NA, and then we can have these as NA. Let's have it. We'd have it maybe as like score out of, let's go 45. These are just not possible. So six out of IDK. So we have multiple choice. MC is 12 out of 20, and then we have eight out of 12 plus 8 out of 12 plus 6. So we sum those up. 12 plus 8 plus 6. Oh, dude, this is brutal. 26 out of 45? You kidding me, bro? Okay, we put that at 58%. Are you fucking kidding me, dog? Score didn't change. Not very surprised. Last time was just over 50. That multiple choice one was tough, dude. That one was a lot of stupid mistakes. It's actually very... The thing is, I have to rush. There's no time to, like, deliberate. Yeah, I spent an hour doing the test and half an hour just trying to correct it. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Because, like, you can't deliberate. If I spent more time on multiple choice, and undoubtedly that got me the higher score of 18 out of 20, but I just didn't have time to do any of the questions later on. There were some undoubtedly highly stupid mistakes, though. Like, come on, misreading the formula. At that point, just pack it in, bro. Like, what are we doing? It was alright, I think. Fuck, these are these things where it's like, what do I even, like, practice at this point? Like, do I just practice the tests at this point? Like, what do I actually do? I'm pretty sure I know most of the methods by now, right? Like, I'm not missing any baseline theory, or, like, I know the quick ways to, like, do things, but there's just... Like, what the fuck is this thing about signals? What the fuck is that? That's, like, literally a toss-up. Let's look at the solution for the last one. Okay, for each box. Dude, how the fuck are we... Okay, I don't feel as bad, bro. The average is 48% for the midterm. Yo, I got over 50% for both. For both sessions. Oh my god. Every year this always comes up. Dude, wait, if you're acing the practice midterm, then I'm fucked for everything else, dude. I'm done. I'm done the time lapse. %48 average, bro. Hell no, bro. Dog. Every year, bro. Every fucking year. Oh, God. Every year, bro. This is a smart individual. Oh, Vladimir Putin might have a good piece of advice. Ah, dude. Wait. You know what? Is there a chance I don't... 78.9, bro. Okay, let's see math. Let's look at stats. $70.4. I'll have to split my time between chemistry as well as data science. The issue. That's what I'm worried about. All right, let's look at the math. Huh. I'm gonna go scroll some reels.
I want to
bro.
go cursor, but for cursor. Oh, that's a pretty bad idea. No, hear me out. It's like papa cursors makes baby cursors. Oh, bro, that's a shit idea. No, hear me out.
Should I leave? I feel like I'm
If
interrupting
cursor
something.
can self-replicate, then everyone has families of cursors. Oh, bro, you're not cooking, bro. You're not cooking.
Okay, I should probably stop scrolling reels, bro. Dude. Okay, if the midterm is worse, then the actual... I need to be more careful when reading my questions. I dropped at least 5 marks. And that extra 5 marks, if our denominator is 45, if we take 31 over 45, that puts me into a 70%, dude. 69% actually. Dude, if I could get a 70%, that would put me on track, right? Wait. Let's look at chem. Yeah, that's rough. These guys are working their asses off, right? Everybody EPC is working their ass off. No one is slacking. Well, I was slacking, but I paid the price. And I already have a lower credit load. I'm doing at minimum like 3/4 the work other people are doing. Right? Minimum, because most people have at least 4 courses going on. So, well, not necessarily. Some first years might actually just have 3 courses, so it might be on the same level as them. But they have prior experience. And they did better in high school. I think I low key was like a diversity hire, bro, for UBC, man. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Huh. All right. Okay, it gets better. Let's look at math. Okay, not bad. Let's get math 101. Wait, it's actually not bad. It's actually not bad at all. I don't think cores get easier. People just get better. People who suck just stop doing it. Dude, the Fizz 100 level? Wait, are you fucking kidding me? Oh god, please tell me I can delay that one. Oh god. Wait, I'm not even eligible for the math. Dude, I would suck as a math major. Like, look at this. I looked over my friend's shoulder at the calculus 3, bro. Fucking multivariable. They're starting like partial derivatives and like directional whatever the fuck. Dude, come on. I looked at a visualization. I'm like, I'm good, bro. I'm good. But it means I don't drop out of school, you know? Again, man. University is an opportunity cost, but opportunity cost of what? Like working at McDonald's, bro? Like, you know what I mean? There is an opportunity cost, but come on. My tuition is 8K and like what better things would I be doing right now, you know? So I want to graduate college, right? So, yeah. Dude, I think I'm actually retarded. Oh, fuck. Well, anyways, that's studying. I don't know what I'm gonna do for chem. I feel like right now my issues with chem is just purely execution. Like I don't think like obviously there's questions that I don't know. I guess I'll just practice more. But doing like textbook questions like doesn't prepare me for the same kind of things that like happens here. You know what I mean? Like I feel like executing is not the issue. I mean, I guess I did miscalculate some stuff earlier, but I don't know. I think tomorrow I'll just run another practice exam. Dude, this is brutal. This is brutal, man. And if they don't scale the, I mean, I have words, but there's no guarantee you get a high mark in words. Dude, I don't have a physics level 100. I mean, could I do it in the summer now that I have a physics 12 equivalent? Because they emailed me and said I actually do have the equivalent, so I should be fine in that respect. But can you do it in the summer? Could you imagine me, a math major, a dude who crashed out of math 100? Could you imagine that? You know what? You know what? You know what you call the dumbest math major? A guy with a bachelor's degree. That's what you call the dumbest math major. Yeah. What do you call a doctor? It's the low who's always a constant C student, bro. You call him doctor, bro. Dude. Dude, that's so fucked. I wonder what this is about. What's with that? Is there like a whole class of like retarded math majors? Dude. Dude, this is so bad. This is so bad. I need to talk to an advisor, I think. Well, not tomorrow. I have more pressing issues, but I need to talk to an advisor, dude. I mean, I already have a list of. Okay, you know what? Let's put that on the list actually. I think I'm pretty sure the CS requirements, but I'll just double check. Yeah, I have the requirements for this. Let's check. Dude. I just want to graduate, man. Do I even care if I'm employed? I don't. Dude, hey, Matt. I'm sure as I'm constantly getting humbled, and truly humbled, as in humbled. Like, yeah, I'm not all that, bro. These all have some biology or physics or chemistry in them. Like Chem 1, 2, 3, not just the Chem 1, 2, 1, I mean. Sorry. Yeah. But I'm only doing Chem 1, 2, 1 because I have the Chemistry 12 credits from high school. Again, man, I don't know how the fuck I got into UBC, dude. I honestly think I did not deserve a spot here. I'm glad I even got the chance. I'm glad I met the people I've met here. I'm glad to being, because in high school I didn't really get humbled that often. I wasn't the brightest kid, but I was just a normal fucking kid. Here I get my ass whooped constantly, bro. Like, it's actually crazy. Like, you realize there's levels to this shit, Feels like, when I'd go to training, like it's like soccer training, so the different team, or a tryout. Oh my god, it's like I'm going to a soccer tryout, dude. And you realize there's levels to things, bro. There's levels to this shit. And sometimes the tryout, you're the guy who's the big fish, right? But dude, there's levels to this shit, bro. There are levels to this shit. That is atrocious. This is a BCIT program, I think. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's see. This is highly, highly competitive. Oh, the average is really high though. Right? Like, let's look at it. Oh. Okay, you know, that's something. All right, I've spent officially an hour grading and then looking at other stuff, so should probably head off, call it quits. Here's the whole. Let me just run through this. It's the formula sheet. There we go. Okay. All right, let's call that. Dude, this dude transferred from BSc to Mech N, bro. Fuck me, dude. Dude, you need some talented ass people at UBC, bro. Which is just like, come on, man. You know, how smart and how good you are at something is really a function of how hard you work and, of course, you know, your access to resources and training and whatever else. But really, it's about how hard you work. And you get shockingly close to, not the top, but you can get shockingly close to like 80th percentile if you just fucking try. You know, of course, going higher, you need fucking Bay Area robotics club, private tutors, shit. But you know, if you want to just be really good, it's actually pretty within grasp. I don't know. Brutal. That is brutal. Okay. Alrighty. Well, I'm